Hello and welcome to the IG Daily Market Update for Wednesday, the 21st of April 2010. On the open of the UK index this morning, the FTSE was actually slipped down about 18 points at 10 a.m. to 57.65 on the back of several companies that have gone ex-div. BAE Systems, one of those companies that have gone ex-div, has seen its share price down about 3.7%. And we've seen Marks & Spencer's share price down about 2.2% as Bank of America Merrill Lynch actually cut the ratings on this stock to underperform from neutral. On the back of lower metal prices, we've also seen BHP Billiton, Rio Tinto and Vedanta's shares all down between a range of 1.3% and 1.6%. But however, leading the winners this morning was ARM Holdings, whose share price were up 3% on the back of the positive results posted by Apple last night. ARM Holdings actually supplies semiconductors used by Apple, and so investors have seen the positive results posted by Apple positively influencing the ARM Holdings share price today. At 8:30, we had UK economic figures out, with the jobless claims figures for March coming in better than expected, down 32,900 against an expected rate down of 8,000. And on the back of that, we've seen the GBP USD rate actually reach a session high of 154.34. Across the pond in the US, we'll have a host of companies reporting their Q1 earnings today, which include Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Morgan Stanley and AT&T. And looking at the Dow yesterday, we actually saw the Dow was lifted by energy shares on the back of higher oil prices, and also on the back of the Apple results. Apple actually, their shares price were up about 8.2% in extended trading yesterday evening. And this is on the back of the shares actually posting net profits up 90% to $3.07 billion. And this has been led by stronger sales in the iPhone and the Mac computer. Firmly in the limelight today will be Goldman Sachs, as the company has a lawsuit filed against it by the Securities and Exchange Commission over fraud charges. Goldman Sachs shares closed yesterday's session down about 2.1%, even though it released Q1 2010 earnings, which were record earnings, with a net revenue coming in at $12.7 billion, led by an increase in its fixed income trading profits. Goldman Sachs actually indicated that it will strongly fight against the lawsuit, and some reports state that it might use this as its defense, the caveat emptor clause, which is Latin for buyer beware. However, the US futures this morning are looking to around about a flat open as the investors brace themselves up for the host of corporate earnings that are released later on today. But at 11 a.m. we were calling the Dow up about 8 points at 111.25.